So hello everyone. So this is the second part of our Verilog question series, and in this we are going to solve a little bit more questions. So this is the first subtopic, that is wire. So wire is one of the data type of this Verilog programming, and register and wire. These are the two data types. Register we can use to store this data, and wire it's just a normal connection between the gates. We can say it does not store any data, so it is just used for some connections and passing the data from one gate to the other gate. So this little bit theory is given here. You can easily read out. And our question is given here. Uh, Report A. This is the question. Diagram below instead how each part in the cell is correspond to each bit of the code. And here one model is given, model, top model, and one input and one output. So we need to write code here so that we can pass this input to the output, this output code. So here already model is written, model, top model, input in and output out. Only one input, that's in, so that's why only one input in has written here, and only one output. So output out. So we need to write here. No need to write any specific wire. We need to just send this data, input data to the output port. So we can write like assign out equal to in. So in this way we can directly transmit this input data to the output with the help of this assign variable. Okay, assign keywords. This module assign and a module input output whatever this blue color shown, those are the keywords which is already defined in this Verilog libraries. So we can submit this code here. We can analyze this result. So here no compilation error, and our code is successfully run. So there is a no mismatch. Okay. Now we can move to the next question. Here, same wireless question is given. Here, 3 inputs and 4 output is given. So we need to send those inputs to these 4 outputs. So here, in this model is already given here. Input is given ABC and output WXYZ. So we need to write specifically like assign W equal to. So in this here W input A is coming. So assign W equal to A. Then assign X equal to B, Y equal to B, and Z equal to C. Same. Assign X equal to B. We can submit. This is the code, and we can submit and we can check it. Submit. So here, no error, no compilation error, and no simulation error. Here you can say, we can see here no mismatch in the WXYZ. So status is successfully it has run, no mismatch. Let's move to the next question. This is not a gate based question is given here. There is a one module. Inside that one NOT gate is given, and the input is coming from this NOT gate, and output side we are checking out. Okay, so we need to assign output port as a NOT of this input. So let's write it here. Already model is given, and input and output is given. So assign out equal to, how to write this NOT gate expression. We can directly use a negation operation, negation of input. Okay, so we can use this negation. It will show this NOT operation. So we need to remember this. For which get, which expression we can use. We need to remember these things. Okay. So we can check it here. Okay. Status successfully run.